Hey y'all, welcome back to Jayjay Smokehouse Grill. Hey, I know it's been a little bit since I've done a video. We're gonna get back at it here today. We got two pork shoulders picnics that we're gonna cook here on the drum for the Super Bowl game tonight. So glad to have y'all back, glad to be back, and let's get to cooking. Got the drum running here. It's running about 300 degrees right now. I've got it idled back. It should come back down. We're going to shoot between 250 and 300 degrees today for cooking. Got two pork shoulders, the picnic part of the shoulder here. Just done a regular rub, just one rub on it. Put a little coarse ground black pepper on it. We're going to cook this meat side down today. We're going to try to get that skin good and crispy. We're going to leave it up to the top. So stay with me. We'll get these on the smoker and we'll see how they come out. We got some aluminum pan down here just to catch the drippings today. I'll set y'all up here and we'll get these pork shoulders on the cooker. All right, we got these pork shoulders on the smoker. I'm gonna wipe the skin off just a little bit. Using a little apple wood today for the smoke. Get that skin cleaned off. We're gonna try to get that good and crispy today. And what I'm gonna do is just gonna spray it with some canola cooking oil. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some kosher salt on it. Try to get that skin good and crispy. We'll shut the lid here and we'll get to cooking. We'll check back on it here in about an hour or 2 hours. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been right at 2 hours since we put these pork picnics on the smoker. So let's give them a look and see how they're looking. All right guys, you can see we're still running between 250, 300 degrees. Looks like about 255. So let's open the lid and look at these pork picnics and see how they're looking. Get some nice color on them for 2 hours, so we'll just let them go a little longer, and we'll check back on, I don't know, probably another couple of hours. Let's get this lid shut. Hey guys, on these pork picnics, we're just cooking them now to the color that we like, so we're not worried about internal temp or anything. So we'll check on them here in another 2 hours and look at the color, and if they're good, we'll wrap them, and then we'll put a temperature probe in them so we can keep track of the internal temp. Stay with us. All right guys, welcome back. It's been 4 hours since we put these pork picnics on, so let's look at them here and see what kind of color we got, and we'll check the internal temp and see if we're ready to wrap them. If you can see there, looks like about 270, 280. We're running at the 4 hour mark. So let's take a look and see how they're looking. Wow, good looking color here. I like the way that skin's looking. Hope it's crisping up good. I'll take a internal temp here and we'll see where we're at. All right guys, let's see if we can probe this, kind of see where we're at here. 135. about 130, 140 inside internal temp. 137. I think we're gonna go ahead and wrap these pork picnics, and we'll let them cook wrapped, and then when we get done, we're gonna glaze them. All right, guys, we got our chef alarm out here. We're gonna put the probe in these pork picnics. We need to set the temp. We're gonna set it at 200 degrees. We're just gonna try to get midways, something like that. Like you, I don't know if you can see or not, but that looks like 138, 139. So we're coming right along. Let me get this other chef alarm put in this other one, and I'll be back with you when we reach 200 degrees. I don't know, can y'all see that smoke? Just a light blue smoke is what you're really looking for. You want a clean smoke. You know, if it's coming out real thick, it's gonna put a bitter taste to your meat. Hey guys, today we was using the B&B charcoal natural lump with the hickory and the Western Woods apple flavored barbecue cook wood. Both of these working really well on the drum today. All right, guys, we're back. I've got one of the pork shoulder picnics that's reached the 200 degree mark. Let me hit that alarm, cut it off. We're still running a little bit above 300, about 305 right at the moment. We've had them wrapped for, if you can see that, 2 hours and 39 minutes wrapped, and there was 4 hours unwrapped. This one's lagging a little bit behind. It's 184 internal temp, and the other one is right at 200. So we're going to open this up, the one at 200, open it up and glaze it and let it be set in the glaze. But today we're going to use this Daigle's apple heat glaze on them. So let's get the cooker open and see how it looks. We'll get this probe out of this one. It's at 200 degrees. And when I wrapped them, I flipped them up. We had them skin side up to start with, and so when I wrapped them, I flipped them over. So now we're going to unwrap this one, and we're going to do it back with the skin side up so I can glaze it, and hopefully it'll look real nice. All right, here's the one that was at 200 degrees internal temp, looking really good. I've got it opened, and I'm just going to leave this foil like it is, and I'm going to flip this shoulder over so the skin's up, and then we'll glaze it and let the glaze sit. All right, now we got this shoulder flipped back over so it's skin side up, and we're going to put a little glaze on it. This apple heat glaze from Daigle's sauces. I'll try to do this one-handed. Hope y'all can tell how that looks. Looks really good. And of course our second one is still going. It's at 186 now, so it won't be long till it's done and ready to glaze in it, and I'll be back when we do that. All right, we got the second one unwrapped. Looks really good. Now here's the first one that after I've got it glazed and the glaze is set. This one took about 6 hours and 40 minutes to cook, to get to 200 internal temp, and the one next to it took like 7.5 hours to cook. So you just never know. But it's got 200 temp. I'm gonna flip it over where it'll be skin side up and glaze it just like we did the other one. All right, guys, we got this cooked pretty much done. Like I said, one of the picnics took 6 hours 40 minutes. The other one took 7 hours and 30 minutes. And we've got them glazed and finished, and the glaze is set. So we'll open up the cooker and I'll let y'all look at them. This is the first one. Looks great. And this is the second one. So if y'all would like this video, comment, ask any questions you'd like, subscribe to my channel. We'll be bringing you more videos here since the weather's starting to get pretty again, and we'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, the pork picnic shoulder has been resting, so we're ready to unwrap this and pull it apart and see how it looks. All right, let's see about the bones, if we can get the bones to pull out. So far, so good. And there's one big bone. Oh yeah. Nice and clean. Good and juicy. Some nice bark on it. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish pulling this. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.